Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this quick video I am going to show you how you can easily detect the silence in Filmora videos and get rid of all the extra gaps in just a minute. So let's get started. So first of all, I will import the media which I want to work on. So go to the media and select the media here and select your raw footage where it has a lot of gaps. So in this case, I have a screencast here, and if I zoom in and if I show you on the timeline, you can see that there are a lot of gaps in between the talking waves. So we can get rid of them very easily, and I'll also show you the ideal settings for it. So I'll click on the silence detection, and here the volume threshold is set to 25% by default, minimum duration is 0.5 and softening buffer is 0.1. You can try out different settings for it, but to be more natural and pick up the silence more accurately, I prefer this setting: 40 in the volume threshold, 1 in the minimum duration and 0.3 in the softening buffer. Let's click on restart, and you can see how perfectly it is identifying all the blank areas. Let's export it to the timeline, and you can then listen to your clip. All of the rows that contains 0 values. Also the date format, I need the rows that contains 0 values. Also the date format. So you can see how perfectly it detected the silence and maintained the naturalness of the clip. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.